Imagine being able to create any macrame design you want. Sharp edges, smooth curves, perfect shapes with total ease. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to polish up the double half hitch knot so that you can bring any geometric or flowing pattern to life. Hey everyone, it's Nicole here from BOCHIKNOT Macrame, and in this video I'm going to be going over the double half hitch knot again, but this time specifically on how to polish up your double half hitch knot patterns so that they are shaped and look the way you want them to look. A lot of times beginners struggle with getting their designs nice and polished. Straight edges might look a little bit wavy, and curved edges may look a little bumpy. And that's where this lesson comes in. I'm going to be walking you through how you can control your double half hitch knots so that you can get nice straight lines, clean sharp edges, and graceful curves. It doesn't matter if you're making a large wall hanging or a small keychain, these techniques should give you the confidence in helping you shape your projects the way you want them to. And without further ado, let's jump right in. Is there a trick to making crisp edges for shapes with double half hitch knots? So how you can make crisp edges if you want crisp edges, or how to make them curve if you want them to curve. So I do go over them in some of my tutorials, and here is the trick. So if you want crisp edges, like say I want to finish this off with a diamond with sharper edges, what you do is bring the anchor cord over. So you make sure that the top part is even on both sides, nice and tight. We usually tighten the rows of double half hitch knots by pulling on the anchor cords. Now here, to make crisp edges, we're gonna start off with a double half hitch knot to the right. Again, angling the anchor cord towards where you wanna go. Now the key here is to tighten the first double half hitch knot as is, like that, without over tightening it too much, because you do want that crisp edge. So while we usually pull on the anchor cord to tighten up the double half hitch knot rows, we're not going to do it too much here. We're going to tighten up every knot as we make them, but at the end we're not going to pull on the anchor cord tight. So keep shifting every half hitch knot together with the knots before, then you don't have to pull on the anchor cord tightly. So here's my sharper edge on the left side. Do the same thing on the right side. So bring the anchor cord over to the left. We're switching hands. So here's first knot on the right side. It's nice and sharp and crisp. Don't want to skip the step in pushing the knots together. And then there you go. So now you have a diamond shaped double half hitch knot pattern. Normally, if you're making rows and rows of double half hitch knots, after every few double half hitch knots, I pull on the anchor cords to tighten. But you don't want to do this if you want crisp edges like what we have here. Now, if you instead want this to curve, that is when you would pull on the anchor cord. So I'll show you what happens when I pull on the anchor cord to tighten up this row of double half hitch knots, essentially getting rid of the space here which we left for the crisp edge. So I'm only doing it on the left side. So as you can see, it's a curve instead of it going diagonally here, diagonally this way. So if you want the same, pull on the other side, pull on the anchor cord. And that is the trick for crisp or curvy edges with double half hitch knots. If you guys enjoyed the techniques in this video, I definitely recommend applying these techniques to actual macrame projects. Putting them in practice is the best way to learn. If you guys are interested in applying some of these techniques to intermediate and advanced level projects, we do have several exclusive patterns over on our BOCHIKNOT macrame community on Patreon, as well as our YouTube membership. There are many tutorials going over intricate knotting techniques that are helpful in mastering macrame. So if you guys are interested in checking those out, I'll post a little more info in the description below. I hope these techniques were helpful in making your macrame projects, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.